Okay, so the last thing that we're going to do is finish it, and I have just, so there's two things really. You can personalise it a bit more. I've got some letter stamps here. I'm just going to punch my name into it. Put it the right way up. You can get the file back out, or decide maybe you're going to make more of a hand grip under this bit, or whatever you'd like to do. Maybe cut in like a salad tong, or you know, shape the neck a little bit more organically than this one. It's a bit sort of plain. There's my name, by the way, that I've put in. So you can do that. Maybe put a bit of a bevel, so a 45-degree angle on these instead of a slight round, either way. But then once you've done all that and you've sanded it, it's time to put the finish on. Now this here is just an oil. Because this is going to be used with food, you just have to be careful what you use. This is this is flaxseed oil, which is, I mean, you can put it in salads and all this sort of stuff, like as an oil. And basically all I do is just rub it all in. Sort of yellowy colour, if you like that. Basically just go all the way around with just a cloth. And you'll see it looks quite nice, looks like my other one. So this one I did yesterday, this one I did today. This one here will dry, it'll go a little bit lighter. But yeah, that's it. So then you're basically done your spatula. Great present and everything like that. So thanks for watching, looking forward to seeing your spatula, and fantastic.